We have Michaela again here today to check the fit of the green skirt before I set the lining in. As you can see, it's a really good fit. The hem will be a little bit shorter, just about an inch, and the ratio of gathers to the waist measurement is about 3 to 1. But as you can see, this silk chiffon, if you gather it in the right places, it doesn't make a person look heavier in the waist. It's actually very trimming. I've not put gathers in the center front or the side. Most of the gathers are here, just a little bit in the center front and the side. And that gives you a nice flowing feeling, fullness, and yet not billowing out in places that no woman wants to have extra weight. It will be a little more opaque with the lining, but it's actually a very, very good fit. Can you move a little bit for us? Yeah, it's a perfect airy type of fabric. This can be worn all year long. Silk chiffon is just a delight to wear, especially in the spring and summer, but even in the winter it can be worn. So my next step is to set the waistband, finish the placket in the back, set the lining in, and about a 1-inch hem, or hem it about 1 inch. I'll do the tiny baby rolled hem on the machine and call it a day, and then she'll have a green skirt.